Welcome to the Honor X90 5G Ultra Tough Challenge.
Today, we are putting the toughest phone, Honor X90 5G, against the toughest car out there, the Tesla Cybertruck.
They like, how can you go higher? The white in my eyes and my iris is fire. I just can't get what you got as I'm
Matibay talaga tong cellphone na to, and kahit anong okasyon, you won't be afraid to drop this phone, nababasa to.
Matibay siya.
Wild siya.
Wild talaga.
year after year, we just keep showing up. Shining the brightest, see that glow is up. Look at the time.
Matibay yung Honor eh. Kasi binato-bato ko na yun, wala eh. Matibay pa rin talaga siya eh. Matibay pa rin. Matibay talaga ng mga phone nila. Hindi ko alam paano nila ginagawa to. Paturo nga ako.
100 on every occasion. I'm on a rampage.
Matibay talaga kahit mabasa. Tsaka ang kagandahan na to sulit kasi sa mga estudyante, hindi kagad masisira. Kaya nyo naman, hinagis kung saan-saan, pinagulungan. Honor X90, napakatibay.
Boom! Ooh! 110. We need 110.
Boom pa rin yung akin!
Yes.
Honor X90!
Galing, no?
Hindi ako makapaniwala na ganito katibay si Honor X90 5G. Last month, binagsak namin to. Binali ko, talagang matibay. Hindi nabasag. Sobra. Sulit.
On behalf of the Honor Philippines management, I'd like to thank each one of you for celebrating this momentous event with Honor Philippines. Maraming salamat po, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Honor